How to change your TikTok username easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on TikTok in fast easy way. So first thing you do is you go to TikTok. This is the home page as you can see. Now you have to choose edit profile right here and then you need to click on username option. And as you can see now from here you can change the username as you want, easy and fast. And that's it for today's video guys, and also you should know that your username can be changed once every 30 days. I can change it again after May 8, 2022. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.